Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. But one must consult doctor before practicing yoga and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases. Diabetes, asanas, Surya Namaskar, Padhastasana, Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Sarvangasana, Supt Pavan Muktasana, Matsyendrasana, Matsyasana, Shalbhasana, and Mayurasana. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is a set of 12 asanas ideally performed at sunrise as worship to sun god. For each of the 12 asanas, there is a breathing pattern which has to be followed. Pranamasana. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head and arc your body backwards. Breathing pattern. Inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together and bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs. Touch your palms on ground and head on legs. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring right leg backwards and touch the right knee on the floor. Place the left foot between the palms and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern. Inhale. Parvatasana. Bring the right leg next to left and place hands shoulder width apart on ground. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Slide the body down, keeping the hips in a way that all 8 limbs are touching the floor. 8 limbs are toes, knees, hands, chest and chin. Breathing pattern. Maintain a state after exhale. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart in front of your chest. Lift your body above navel, balancing it on hands, and turn your head upwards. Breathing pattern. Inhale. Parvatasana. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring left leg backwards and touch the left knee on floor. Place the right foot between the palms with right knee touching the chest and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern. Inhale. Padhastasana. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs, with palms touching the ground and head touching the legs. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head, arcing your body. Breathing pattern. Inhale. Pranamasana. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern. Exhale. Surya Namaskar is amazing exercise which cures lot of diseases like asthma, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, low blood pressure, obesity, skin diseases and tonsillitis. As a precaution, people suffering from sciatica pain, hernia and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice Surya Namaskar. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication. or through practice of other asanas. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together and bend forward without bending your knees, and place your hands on either side of the legs with palms touching the ground. Now move your head closer to legs so that forehead is touching the legs. Padhastasana removes shoulder and back pains, reduces fat and trims waist, strengthens thighs and makes spine flexible, helps in increasing height, cures backache, constipation, diabetes, gastric problems, and obesity. People suffering from acute back problems should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas. Consult doctor before practicing and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart on either side of your chest. Lift portion of body above navel, balancing it on hands, and turn your head upwards. Bhujangasana reduces fat and trims waist, strengthens abdomen muscles, and improves digestive system. Cures arthritis, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, insomnia, and menstrual disorder. Imparts beauty to face. Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back. Place your hands on either side, aligned with legs, with palms touching the ground. Without bending the legs, lift your legs and move body beyond the head till the toes touch the floor. Stay in this position, breathing normally for a comfortable duration. Sarvangasana helps in reducing excess weight, strengthens legs, knees, waist, neck, and shoulders, improves blood circulation, and cures skin diseases, removes bad odor from body, cures acidity, digestive problems, diabetes, eyesight problems, insomnia, piles, spondylitis, and tonsillitis. Supta Pavan Muktasana. Lie down on your back, keeping the legs straight. Bend the right leg at knee and move it on top of chest. Tightly coil both the hands around the bent right leg and raise head above floor, bringing it closer to right knee. Repeat it for other side. Supta Pavan Muktasana improves blood circulation in legs and helps in curing joint pains. Strengthens legs and hips. Cures acidity, digestive problems, diabetes, gastric problems, high blood pressure, and spondylitis. Improves digestive system and helps in reducing back pain. Matsyendrasana. Assuming sitting position, bend your left leg at knees and place the heel of left leg on right thigh. Now place your right foot near the outer side of the left thigh. Hold the right foot firmly with left hand, keeping the right knee under left armpit. Move your right hand behind the back till it reaches the left waist. Turn your face and shoulder towards right side. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration and repeat it for other side. Matsyendrasana frees the spinal cord movement, tones abdominal organs, treats obesity, arthritis, diabetes, and urinary disorders. Matsyasana. Assuming Padmasana, slowly move your trunk backwards until the head rests on the ground. Keeping the hands on either side of your body, lift your trunk, arcing the spine so that entire body is balanced on head and hips. Hold your right toe with right hand and left toe with left hand. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration. Matsyasana nourishes eyes, reduces eye strain, and improves vision. Spinal cord becomes flexible and helps in reducing back pains. When tired after swimming for some time, one can easily rest and float on water in this position. Expands chest and lungs, which helps in curing respiratory problems. It improves the skin glow and enhances beauty. Cures asthma, bronchitis, digestive problems, depression, diabetes, skin diseases, and tonsillitis. People suffering from sciatica pain and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas. Shalabhasana. Lie down on your stomach, Placing both the hands under thighs, keeping the feet together, lift your trunk and legs to the extent possible above the floor. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration. Shalbhasana broadens chest, makes waist flexible, strengthens abdomen muscles, and improves digestive system. Helps in reducing fat around stomach, waist, hips, and thighs. Cures diabetes and menstrual disorder. Mayurasana. Keeping the knees shoulder width apart. Sit on your toes. Join your elbows and adjust elbows under the navel. Place your palms on floor with fingers pointing away from body towards left and right side. Lift your knees and legs balancing the body weight on elbows. Now stretch your legs like feathers of peacock and stay in this position for a comfortable duration, breathing normally. Mayurasana alleviates all digestive system related problems and tones abdominal organs. It's good exercise for liver and pancreas and cures diabetes. Mayurasana improves eyesight and strengthens arms and lungs. People suffering from high blood pressure and hernia should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas.